Hey everyone. So we're continuing our journey today to monetization. So looking at YouTube, the dashboard showing me that I still only have 2 subscribers and I have 1.8 hours of videos watched. So I guess there is improvement, but it's not by much, right? So it looks like the shorts are really where people are skimming it and watching it. However, it's not really growing that much. Again, this is just a start. This is day 2, so we'll see how this goes. So today we're going to talk about budgeting. And what is budgeting? Budgeting is your plan for your financial future. So your financial plan would be your roadmap. Well, how are you going to conquer your roadmap? How are you going to conquer your travel destination? You're going to use a budget. You're going to use a plan. So your budget is your plan, and we're going to make it where we have enough set aside for savings, for retirement, for a vacation, for a down payment on a house, car. So that's kind of what we need to do. So to start off with a budget, you need to know how much you make. So don't even worry about your gross income. Start with your net income. That's what money you comes into your bank account on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis. For simplicity's sake, let's just go with monthly. So you're gonna get however many paychecks you get in a normal month. You're gonna add all that and put it into your income side of your budget. So this is all the money you have that you can spend this month. All right, so we got that. Now we're gonna go to expenses. We want to see how much money we have flowing out, right? So you got your mortgage, you got your car payment, you got utilities, you got your streaming service, what all is coming out, and that's just bills. Also, you got to think about groceries, you got to think about gas for your car, insurance for your car. So I mean, you got to come up with all this stuff, funnel it down, and lay it out there. How much does that come up to? Hopefully, you are at least in the positive. Whereas say you make $2,000 a month and your bills and everything, groceries, comes up to be $1,500. Well, that's great. You got $500 left over. So you want to be in the positive. You definitely don't want to spend $2,200 a month when you're only making $2,000 a month. That's a recipe for disaster. You're living on credit, and it's not going to work out. So we have to cut back so we get that back to a positive number. All right, so then that's the basics of budgeting. In future videos, we'll talk about what to do with this money, how much you should be allocating for each type of expense. So in future videos, we'll talk about the 50-30-20 budget, where you should be living on 50% of your income should match your needs. 30% of your income should be for your wants. This would be entertainment and stuff, dining out. And then 20% should be for savings. So I know that was a little quick. Don't worry, we'll catch that one up in another video. But the whole budgeting is we want to make sure we're spending less than we're earning. And we want to make sure we're putting what extra money we have into good use, right? We either want to put it into savings, investing, or paying down loans, debt repayment. So continue tuning in the rest of this journey, and we'll see how long it takes us to get monetized. And as we do continue on this journey, I will bring you new information on personal finance and the economy and self-improvement. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, help us get to that monetization level of 1,000 subscribers, and we'll see you next time.